We often hear from business officers the disproportionate amount of time they spend on relatively small transactions. Those small transactions are incredibly manual and paper intensive. It's receipts, invoices, reimbursements, checks, data entry.
The teachers order a lot of supplies, and multiple teachers will be ordering supplies from that big box office store. From an audit perspective, from an administrative perspective, you could end up with a purchase having 40, 50 pages of documentation. It takes away from the classroom instruction. So to simplify that process, ClassWallet will digitize all those receipts. It's available for anyone to review at the click of a button, and it doesn't take away from classroom instruction.
We use SAP to manage our finances. There are niches that don't make as much sense. SAP is a bazooka, and there are times that these small transactions are mosquitoes. So we could kill the mosquito with a bazooka. It's a very inefficient use of that. SAP isn't flexible enough, so we use ClassWallet. And that level of flexibility is just impossible in a great system like SAP, which is built for another purpose.
For me has been sort of the biggest benefit to EANS 1 is we had no infrastructure existing, very little time, and everyone was rushing to get there and lots of money. And ClassWallet sort of allowed us to opt to also provide maximum flexibility and options to schools to help students out.
This process that you see in front of us, and they did an internal study, and going down to the district and school level and streamlining these processes, calculated literally hundreds of thousands of hours that were saved because of all the different points in whether it's purchasing or validating receipts and then reimbursements and all of that. So when you're looking at productivity and proficiency, it's measurable when you look at a tool like this.
Still receiving lots of very positive feedback. They quite affectionately refer to the program as the wallet. They were just like, I just love the wallet. It just does all the things you need. I get daily complaints from non-public schools regarding they don't know if they've ordered those materials or when they'll receive those materials. And that's one of the things that the lovely leaders that I was meeting with, when she said the wallet, she said, the wallet shows us all of those things.
With ClassWallet, you'll never have to collect a piece of paper, manually cut a check, or manually enter data or reconcile for any of these types of transactions again.